Saipo.
So you are continuing your...
We saw the CCTV footage from Central Police Station.
Yes, my lady.
And we left where the vehicle was leaving the station.
Yes.
I see no one accompanying
Yes.
Albert at the boat, which means then he must have been dead.
Yes.
Yes, all the police officers sat at the front cabin. That is where we
Very
stopped.
well.
Yeah.
Now, can you take us through now what transpired?
To Mbagathi Hospital. Then we extended our investigations to Mbagathi Hospital by the reference.
Give me the date first.
Date is 16th, and it was in a 64 GB advanced flash disk.
Watch my pen. Cognitive.
Tech forensic video investigator. And we confirmed his of
Yes.
dated 8th June 2025. And I'll start by hospital. My lady, 3 uniformed police officers.
I'm faster than the witness, prosecution.
The police officers are then observed returning to the police vehicle, captured, placing,
Don't
and
look at me, I'm faster than you. Proceed. Yes.
the police officers are subsequently captured, placing an identified person as the hospital casualty area. Next, the police officers are later observed with the hammock. My lady, they are then an identified person
Yes.
into the police vehicle before driving out of the hospital compound. That three uniformed police officers in a police vehicle are observing wheeling the deceased. They are later seen returning to the vehicle. Into the vehicle and departing at around approximately 02:15 hours. My
Yes.
My lady, now we'll be comparing with what I produced yesterday. This is a retrieved CCTV footage because retrieved footage is like a playback of what was recorded on that by the cameras, and they stored in the hard drives of the DVR. Reconstructed, recovered footage. We made it so that it enabled the court to appreciate the sequence of events. That was very necessary to bring out what the cameras had captured previously. My lady, yesterday you realized that we had challenges in playing the reconstructed footage.
I wish it had come after playing. You see, this is
Okay,
an
it's
interference
okay.
with the flow of the evidence that is already there.
It's okay.
So this should have come later.
Okay.
So let me
Well,
see
well,
what I can leave and what I can. Yes, we will leave it at that the court to appreciate the sequence of the events that were.
Yes.
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 So let's leave it at that. So now you are playing.
Yes, now this is 01:35 at around 01:35 hours. It's around 15 minutes long.
Justice, it moves very slowly. So we are patient. You play.
It's the arrival of the police vehicle at the casualty area. You can see front cabin of the police vehicle.
So for the record in my notes, what you will see is that the officers are moving very slowly. There is no urgency. There is no urgency in that movement to show there is a sick person in the vehicle. That is for the defense counsel. We agree on that.
Yeah, the vehicle is unmanned. No person is inside that vehicle.
Okay, that's the second. That's in side notes for
Maybe
the
they
court.
can clarify whether it's on normal mode or. Questions, can you confirm? Is it, have you conflicted with the speed?
You prefer it this way?
see the officers, they have worn their gloves. That is Inspector Nganga, who has entered into the cabin of the police vehicle.
Is it? It's not moving. Is it moving?
It's a
Huh?
it's a glitch.
Pardon? At what if we are analog, surely?
He said it's you can't forward them, but you have to let it play.
Just
We can forward, but it is a glitch.
But when
I think Mr. Black, Omanga, and Nwono, you are the one.
We're just discussing a thing.
Mhm.
If it was retrieved,
Yes.
we're just imagining where the glitch is coming from.
no,
We're asking.
we did a abridged version for this.
It is an abridged.
These are-
there's no way we can actually see that part of the car.
Masi Wanjiru Wangare. Do you have? Okay. Of this, how about us who don't know anything? Head of forensics.
Yes, my lady.
Si ni uji kwako. Do it's now playing. Okay.
My lady, is worth noting that it's almost over 20 minutes
Yes.
since the time they arrived. So there was no.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think you have to be a bit careful.
Mm-hmm.
Can you move back to 5703?
5703. Forward or back?
No, we can just get it clear. 03. Yes.
Why don't you let us watch and then now you can
My
speak?
lady, I've noticed that there are parts that are being jumped. So I just wanted to know what is happening.
I thought we are we have not reached 57 yet.
No, 1:57:03 seconds. 3 seconds after fish.
You have
And we have already supplied with the full footage.
My lady,
They already
perhaps
have
the
it.
court can confirm with the
It's
records.
only that this is an abridged version.
The court can confirm with the records. What was indicated?
It's not a recovered, it's a retrieved footage.
Okay. What is the difference between a retrieved and a recovered?
Once you recover,
Yes.
you reconstruct
Yes.
the events, the sequence of events.
Yes.
Once you retrieve,
Understood.
which means that the one he recovered because it had been deleted. But now this is the real original footage.
That's enough.
Yes, but he had, and the abridged one for consumability by the court.
Yes.
Yes.
The only challenge now we are having
Mm-hmm.
is this case where we are with the head of forensics at POA, and is it in order? Do we proceed with such as it is because the media are here,
Yeah.
and there could be a misinterpretation in the sense that when at certain points there is what we are developing in our minds. Is it not proper for them to have settled to ensure that all that is moving properly before we settle down in court to wait for this?
Was a glitch, and that's why it was not
My lady,
moving.
what he's
Yes.
saying,
Yes.
the reason being when
Fingers, Mr. Mwalt.
My apologies. My lady, when the central CCTV was being played, and there was not the whole of it was not played, there is somewhere in the media where it has been indicated that it was purposely skipped because there was a Karura something. So I get what is coming from because there were allegations that Albert was taken to Karura and everything. So when they're skipping this part,
But now that is not the problem of the court. I think whoever is manufacturing those lies, you just need to expose them. Then we deal with them under the law. Which media house did that? I personally didn't watch. I didn't see myself. Probably just a bit of Citizen and NTV. And I think it is a helicopter which has done a bigger mess on me.
there is a
The rest. No. Citizen, I do not expect you to do that. Where is Ode? Where is, what, did you say that he was taken to Karura Forest?
Let the court.
I watched Citizen, I didn't see that.
Yes.
I watched Citizen, I watched NTV. I did not see that. No, I did not see that. I watched full. You said which one? I did not see.
It's Cyprian who posted and the
Cyprian
reference
is
was made
which?
to
Who is
Star.
Cyprian now? Or Cyprian who?
They were making
Cyprian from which media house?
reference to Star something. There's
Okay.
Star. That's why council was.
And that's why I asked the media people to introduce themselves. So I know you are accredited, you cannot make, but I'm here still working. You will ignore because what is on record is the court records. I did not see that, yes. And when I say I watched NTV, I watched KTN, I watched Citizen. Mtembei, where are they? I also saw something, but nothing negative so far. I think you're doing very well, the media. Please, the social media, other people, they can talk what they want. You can clarify. Just contact. So what again I want to repeat is that if we were to sit here and watch the original footage, we will watch for 1 week. That's what he said, especially with the Central Police Station footage. That is why the court usually recommends international best practices. Can you shorten that footage so that people can understand? Who has the patience of watching everything? And you know, the problem with CCTV, it captures everything that is going on. So he tries to bring in what is relevant to the court. Now, Mr. Black Omanga, but can you have a little bit more patience? Can I donate some of my patience to you? If you agree, I will, and that means about 10 sessions on how to, that it is about, took 20 minutes.
Yes.
Yes.
When the car arrived,
Yes.
and by the time the body is removed from the police car, to rush the victim to the attention of the medics. It has been covered by a white cloth.
Why are you saying body? It is. Can I see the head, please?
Just pause.
Yes.
Pause there, you can see the head.
The head is visible? Okay. Right, proceed.
Officers push the stretcher towards the casualty area. That is the head. On the hand, that place is not covered by a camera.
Mm-hmm. Can you zoom in? We see the head. We want to see whether there is depth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Play. Sata tuone. I just rewind. Just want to, because I noted the time when the body, quote unquote, was taken to the casualty. It's a bridge, so I wouldn't know the exact minutes it took in the casualty room. I want to know the period, the times taken at the casualty before the body is wheeled out. Can I be 06? Please rewind.
That's wheeled out.
Wheeled out?
Yes.
Oh, that's, I was following, it's 2:11:06. Okay, let him replay. Did you record, Mr. Manga?
Yes.
What? So
Because
please,
we were
yes.
able to see 159.
Entered a room.
Yes.
Okay, I captured 2:11. What time did you capture? Anyone who was recording?
I captured 211.
2:11 when,
If it's 211 when they're coming in, when is it?
when he's coming out.
Let's replay.
Okay, please replay. They entered the room at 2:11.
Yes. Not really.
Zero.
20014.
Yes. Now they have left now the room which they have left the room where it was out of camera
Yes.
coverage.
Now they are getting.
They are going back to the police vehicle.
Mr. Omanga, you are right. So you just say thank you, humility. Mr. Omanga, humility. Thank you for being keen. The police vehicle at 2:11:06. Thank you, Mr. Omanga. Proceed.
They are pulling the stretcher.
So my curiosity why I asked, because the officers pushed the stretcher at 1:59, let's just around 2. So they were in the casualty room, they're exiting at 2:11, just about 10 minutes. That is what I wanted you to note. Yeah.
Now
Okay.
they will load back the body to the police vehicle.
At what time? 2?
Around 12,
It's a different 12. Okay. Okay, proceed.
They have finished returning the body to the police vehicle. Three officers back to the contrivers cabin. And at around from 0 to 15 hours, now the vehicle leaves the Mbagathi hospital.
Mr. Makori.
Yes. Maybe that concludes the CCTV footage from Mbagathi Hospital. Mr. Mutua, you have told the court that you retrieved the CCTV from Mbagathi Hospital.
Yes, my lady.
Yes, and did you make a certificate for it?
Yes, I did a certificate to that electronic recording. And I wish to certify the following. One, on 8th June 2025, from Mbagathi Hospital, and stored them in a 64 GB advanced MH-1.
Marked
MH-1. My lady, the extracted footages were 2.35 GB in size. 2.35 GB in size. My lady, number 4, during the material time, the said computer was regular in the ordinary course of my activities.
was used to
Store and process information in the ordinary course of activities. The said computer was operating properly, had no known and was in good working condition. My lady, I also certify that the footages have been altered or interfered with their handling. This exhibit is available before this court. And is available for production. My last point is that the abridged version
yes.
was marked BH-2 and was also stored in 64 GB advanced flash disk. And that was new, blank, and previously unused. That was new, blank, and previously unused, and is available for production as exhibit before this court. I signed the certificate on 5th March 2026. That's all, my lady.
Yes. My lady would wish to mark the following.
Just a moment, there is an error I need to correct. Yes, please proceed.
Yes, we wish to mark the footage, the Mbagathi footage, MH1.
You have the original first.
That is the original.
Yeah. So you say the original.
Mbagathi footage as MFI9.
MFI9.
The abridged version as MFI 9A.
9A.
9A. Then the report together with the certificate. The report
Is
from
there a
Mbagathi.
certificate attached to the report?
Yes.
Or are they separate?
They're separate.
So you mark separately.
Yes.
The report.
The report dated the 5th of March 2026 as MFI 9B. Then the certificate MFI 9C. We will be producing them later on after cross-examination.
You produce now.
Very well,
There
we
is
can
something
have
you
it
are forgetting.
produced.
There was Mr. Black Omanga.
Yes.
It was Gishingo. We needed you to talk about the original footage from the very original recovered footage from Central Police Station. The court already has.
Yes.
So
There will be a witness who will come and speak on it.
but he is the maker. Isn't he the maker? He is the maker. The witness will speak to it, but the witness cannot produce for the maker. You will get into trouble. Let him produce and the witness can testify to it when it's produced, or let him make reference to it, then the witness can produce. But as I know the Evidence Act, you are going to get trouble ahead.
Very well, he will produce.
Yes.
That is the CCTV.
Yes. I can see the advocates conferring. What is your view? Mwongo whispers too much. Stand up and tell the court what you are saying.
Already it was my view, but I was waiting for them to pass it so that I timed them with the next one. Now
That is malice.
Yes. Now that you have mentioned it.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
This is our.
My lady,
Yes,
we do have an expert
yes,
who actually recovered.
the one who recovered.
The one who recovered is the one who's.
But
going
he
to-
relied on it to
Yes.
prepare his abridged version.
Yes.
So he must mention that
Yes,
I
we-
received
we will
this
be marking
from, yes, but the background,
Very well. Then.
how does he just come into possession of the original? I'm helping the prosecution case because it's a case, it's justice.
Yes,
He must
true.
say where he got the abridged version.
Very well.
Yes. Has he produced his abridged version for the Central Police Station?
Yes.
It was produced yesterday. You see, that
It was
is,
marked.
isn't he the maker of the abridged version?
Not me.
It's not you.
It's not me.
Or it's not you?
It's not me.
But then it is him to have it marked for the other one to come and produce.
Yes.
Because he has testified to it at length.
Very well.
How do we introduce it later? That the PW4, he's speaking about a document, isn't it? We are only marking it for identification if he's not the maker.
Yes.
Isn't it?
That is what.
You agree?
I agree.
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
my lady, then we will be marking it for identification.
Yes.
This is
Hard disk.
hard disk.
Hard drive. Yes, hard disk.
Sorry.
1 TB, 1 terabyte.
The one for 64 GB. Or the one for free. MFI8.
Yes.
What I want is what is not coming out clearly. He has produced 2 certificates. Has he
Yes.
produced 2 certificates?
He has.
One is for Central Police Station. How does he authoritatively speak about this original CCTV and the abridged version, and even goes ahead to prepare a report? DPP, do you understand where I'm
Yes.
coming from?
Yes.
Can you lay the foundation for the next witness who will come to speak to it? He can't just come up with a report and say, I'm not the maker. He is not the maker, but how does he come up with a report? Under what circumstances does he end up preparing the report? You are creating technicalities for the court, and I am looking at Article 159, and that is why I am being very inquisitorial.
My lady, in regard to the chain of custody, I did a memo to the IT expert by handing him over,
Speak up.
by handing over 3 exhibits. That is the DVR,
Which is MFI?
This is MFI1.
Yes.
and the 2 hard disks which were contained in the DVR.
That is MFI1B and C.
Yes.
My lady, as he was returning the raw footage and the abridged version, he also did a memo to document the chain of custody.
Yes.
So, I received 4 exhibits. I had given 3, I received 4. That is the DVR, 2 hard disks, and then the recovered footage, which was in the abridged version in C.
The first memo that the witness is referring to is its reference is IPOA stroke 1NV
Nike or Mike? M or N?
IN
I
Nike
IPOA 1
NV
NV, yes.
stroke 476 stroke 2025.
Yes.
It is dated the 12th June 2025.
Yes.
And this is a request for forensic examination.
Yes.
And data recovery of Central Police Station CCTV system.
Recovery.
And the request was for 1 to examine the hard disk, 2 recover the CCTV footage recorded during the dates, the 6th, 7th, 8th and June and the 9th. To identify the data gaps and inconsistencies. Then lastly, to preserve and authenticate any recovered evidence using forensic integrity methods, which has been signed by Joshua Mutua, Senior Assistant Director of Forensic. You can have it marked as MFI.
Recoveries using to authenticate
Evidence
Yes.
using forensic integrity methods. And it has been signed by Joshua Mutua. We wish to have it marked as MFI 10.
MFI 10. Yes.
Then another internal memo referenced IPOA stroke INB stroke 476 stroke 2025. And it's dated the 27th of November 2025. This is on a report on data recovery of Central Police Station's DVR surveillance disk.
Data recovery at Central Police Station for
DVR surveillance disk.
yes.
Yes, and this the exhibits that were forwarded together with the memo. Yes. And this was signed by one Kennedy Dire.
The exhibits, you have to list them. You have to say them. Are they indicated?
Exhibits are
Yes, let the witness indicate them.
Number one,
Yes.
we have exhibit X1,
X1,
which is the DVR,
DVR,
X2,
X,
X2 and X3,
yes,
which are the two hard drives which were contained in the DVR. Number two,
yes,
exhibits A and B. These were the clones.
the
Cloning.
clone.
Yes,
Yes.
the clones of the above two hard disks.
Yes. Yes,
Number three, exhibit X4.
yes,
That is this one which contained the recovered raw footages.
yes,
Number four,
yes,
exhibit C,
yes,
which was the 64 GB flash disk containing the abridged version. And this was from the IT expert Kennedy Dire of IPOA.
Kennedy who?
Dire
Dire.
of IPOA.
Okay.
That's all.
Dated
Dated the 27th of November 2025.
NAFTA's MFI,
11.
MFI 11. Okay.
Yes, my lady, the X2 and 3, which have been described in the memo.
We have
The
already
hard
marked
disk.
it
Yes.
yesterday.
We have already marked.
And my lady, it's also good to note that the recovered footages we supplied to the defense are for the days 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8 of June 2025. The clones hard drives, they were for the, it was just a copy image of what all the data which contained in the two hard disks that that were in the DVR.